Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today I am using a clamp that I rarely use, but when I do use it, nothing else will take its place. Today I'm using a strap clamp. Now we're using one from Bessey and we love it. We've had this for I don't know how many years now, and we only use it maybe once every couple of months, but man, when we need it, when we have an odd shaped project that we need to glue up, nothing else is better than this. I'm going to show you how we use it on the project that we're working on today. Here we go. Okay, so here we have our basic shape. This is going to be a wall hanging with some shelves in it, but we need to get this oddball shape put together. And as you can see, since we've got mitered joints here, if I were to put bar clamps on here, it's just going to push those joints out. It's not going to stay together very well. It's going to be a pain in the butt. So enter the strap clamp. This will give us even pressure pushing in on all of those joints all at the same time. So my next challenge then is to glue these joints, put it together, strap it up, make it square, and then we'll tack it in place with a few brads and we'll be ready to go. Let's do a time lapse of that because that could take a few minutes. I don't want you to have to sit there and suffer through this while you watch me do all that. So let's do a time lapse of it and you can see how it goes. All right, there we go. We are all glued up, squared up, bradded up, and now we're going to let this sit for a few minutes just to firm up. Then we can start putting the back on there. But that is basically it. This is why the Bessey clamp, the Bessey Strap Clamp, is indispensable for things like this. Awesome. All right, that's it. Look at that. I didn't even break a sweat. That's unusual for me. That was really easy. The Bessey Strap Clamp is one of those oddball tools that when I bought it, I thought, wow, this is really cool. But I really didn't have a need for it. I just thought, wow, it'd be really cool to have just in case. And it turns out that in those just in case moments, it really is indispensable. So I'm grateful to have it. It does a great job on projects like this. So hope you learned something. Hope you saw something cool. Hey, if you like this video, then like this video. Give us a like, leave us a comment, and hey, if you like stuff like this, subscribe to our channel. We're doing stuff like this all the time. Thanks a lot for being here. We'll see you next time. Take care.